So here with my empty class, I am beginning my lecture. I am missing all my students and all the question asked by them. I am very eager to solve that questions, but here we have to do and we have to continue our process. So here we will begin our process with a new video in our school only. Everyone, with the chapter number 1, real numbers. Here we are beginning our exercise 1.1 with the question number 2. As you can see that exercise 1.1 question 1 is saying use Euclid division algorithm to find HCF of given numbers. Here are the two numbers and here I will show you how to do division method of these two numbers. Here we will begin our process, and some student asked me that what we have to write in a fair work and what we have to write in a rough work. But the whole method I will show you that what you exactly and how to write, what you have to mention and what you have to exclude. So here we are beginning our process. As I told you that we will compare both this number, that which number is larger and which number is smaller. So here we will write that 38,220 is greater than 196. When we did comparison, the bigger number that will come inside and we have to divide it with 196. Now here we have to check that in the table of a 196 when this number will come. So luckily this sum is not so much difficult, because directly when you are multiplying, first you will try in a rough that 196 2s are, then 3s are, 4s are. Then directly if you are multiplying 196 into 195, directly you will get the number 38,220. So this sum ends in one step only, that when you are multiplying 196 with 195, you are getting number 38220, and here your remainder will become 0. As I told you in last lecture that when you are showing this method, you are not getting any marks of it, because you have to write it in the form of Euclid's division algorithm. So now our fair work will begin, means in a main supplementary you have to do these works inside, and in a main supplementary you have to write that 38220 is equals to, means when you have multiplied 196 with 195, means 196 into 195, and you got remainder as a 0. As I told you in my last lecture that when you are getting remainder as a 0, whatever you got over here, that is your HCF. So this process ends up over here only. Thus this is your HCF. So you will write as answer that HCF is equals to 196. So here we will begin our process. Here we will have compared that which is larger and which is smaller number. Here we will write 867 inside, and here we will divide it with 255. Here in a rough work we will check that 255 ones are 255. So we will check it with by 2. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10 and 1 11. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 510 we are getting. So here it is nearby or not, that we will decide afterward. Here again we will say that 255 3s are 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. Here we got 765. Again we will check it with by 255 multiply by 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20 plus 2 22. 4 2s are 8. 9 and 10. So here the number will increase, that will be 1012 20, and here we got 865. So we will choose this value, that 255 threes are 765. Now here we will subtract this. 7 minus 5, it will become 2. 6 minus 6 will become 0. And 8 minus 7 will become 102. Here we will take that 255 inside. Here in the table of 102, when 255 will come, again we will check in our rough work. So here we will begin with 3s are 102 3s are 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So here we are getting this kind of value. So here we will check reversely by multiplying it with 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Here we got 204. So we will multiply this 102 with 2. So here we are getting 204. Here we will subtract. 5 minus 4 will become 1, and here we are getting 5. Whatever will remain, we will keep it as it is. We will take 102 inside. So here now we will check in the table of a 51 when this 102 will come. So here we will simply check that 51 1s are 51 and 2s are 2 1s are 2 and 5 2s are 10. Here we got 102 exact, means 51 2s are, we got 102. Here our remainder is 0, means our process got end. And here we will see the whole process, but this thing is in rough. Here we will start writing in a fair work in the form of Euclid, means 867 is equals to 255 into 3, and the remainder we are getting 102. So this is our first step. Now we will write the second step, which is 255 will equals to 102 into 2 plus remainder. Here we are getting 51, so we will write 51 over here. So this will be our second step. Now here we will write third step, which is 102 is equals to 51 into 2, and here we got remainder as 0, so we will write remainder over here. As I told you, when you got remainder as a 0, whatever is remain here, that is your HCF. So here also we will indicate that that is our HCF, and here we will write that HCF is equals to 51. And here you can see that our whole sum is completed. Now so many students ask me that what we have to write in a fair work. So this thing you have to write in a fair work, and this thing you can do in a rough work. But in a side of supplementary, means you have to do whole this method this side, and in main supplementary you have to write this whole method, and here you can solve this question.